Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Jeep XJ death wobble. This terrifying experience involves a violent, uncontrollable shaking of your Jeep's front end, often triggered by hitting a bump at speeds over 45 miles per hour. It's crucial to address this issue promptly for safety. We will go through a systematic approach to diagnose and resolve the root causes, ensuring your Jeep drives smoothly and safely once again. Let's start with the basics: your tires and alignment. Unbalanced tires are a very common culprit, so ensure all 4 tires are properly balanced. Also, inspect your tires for uneven wear or damage and maintain correct air pressure, typically around 30 to 35 pounds per square inch. Finally, verify your wheel alignment, particularly the toe setting, as improper alignment can easily trigger the wobble. Next, we'll examine your steering system, which is often at the heart of death wobble. The track bar is critical. Ensure its bushings and mounting points are tight and free of play. Also, carefully inspect all tie rod ends and the drag link for any looseness or damage. Finally, check your front axle's upper and lower ball joints for excessive movement, as worn joints can introduce significant instability. Finally, let's look at your suspension and some crucial final checks. Worn control arm bushings, both upper and lower, can permit unwanted axle movement, leading to wobble. Also, confirm your steering box is securely mounted to the frame, with no play. After replacing any components, a professional front-end alignment is absolutely essential to ensure proper geometry and prevent the wobble from returning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.